Welcome to the math table. Today we're going to look at how to get the line tangent to a curve. This is meant to serve as a review for material we've already presented. The line tangent to the curve. Okay, so let f be a function that's differentiable at a point A. Explain in steps how to find the line tangent to f at A. Pause the video, do that now. Okay, the first step is to remember that 2 points determine a line. In this context, a better approach is that you want a point and a slope. A point and a slope will determine a line in a plane. By determine a line, we mean if you know a point on the line and the slope of the line, then you know the line. So we will use that formulation now to get an expression for a line tangent to a curve at a point. The first step is find the point P through which the line passes. The point that the line passes through is A, f of A. Next, we want to find the slope of the line. The slope of the line is going to be the derivative of the function at that point, f prime of A. That's our slope. Okay, so the point-slope equation for the line, do you know it? Typically, you see it written like this. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, where x sub 1 comma y sub 1 is the point P which the line passes through. So now as an example, let's find the line tangent to f of x equals x cubed minus x at x equals negative 1. Try that now. Pause the video. Okay, so here's a graph of the function f and the solution, the tangent line to f at x equals negative 1. We just need to find the equation for this line. So let's do that now. F prime is 3x squared minus 1. F prime at negative 1 is 3 minus 1, which is 2. F of negative 1 is clearly 0, so we have y minus 0 equals m, which is 2, times x minus negative 1. If we want, we can rewrite this, which is equivalent to y equals 2x plus 2. That's the solution to this problem. As a teaser for next time, our question is going to be, how do we approximate this function f at the point x equals negative 0.8? What I want to stress here is that negative 0.8 is a number that's close to negative 1 for this function f. Any ideas? Write them down. Pause the video. Okay, so here's the situation. You see this orange dot and this blue dot here. The idea is that the point on the line at x equals negative 0.8 approximates closely the value of f of negative 0.8. What we need to do now is find that value. If we zoom in now, you see that this approximation is going to be pretty good. I'll let you try to complete this problem now. We will do it in the next video together.